Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go stop ping on the notification bell. Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go stop ping on the notification. NEWLINKs, top vlogger. Big up NEWLINKs cause him a top vlogger. Vlogging it.
Bless up my viewers and subscribers. I just want to say Happy New Year to each and everyone out there. Anyone out there in the world from the attacking boss, I want to say attack pan the new year, attack pan the new year, attack the new year with blessings, attack the new year with prosperity, attack the new year, you understand, with love, and attack the new year with joy and faith and trust in the Almighty. You get what I say? Happy New Year, man, to each and everyone out there. Attack. Some of my viewers and subscribers, pan a real level and know. Zine, I have seen where our former sprinter in Jamaica, world champion, world athlete, you understand, historical sprinter, Asafa Powell, has taken to social media again, my people, and speaking out and sending a message, you understand, and I tell Mr. Wallace, the Prime Minister of Jamaica, say, look here, JPS are kill me, JPS are rob me, and enough is enough. My viewers and my subscribers, check out this clip from Mr. Powell.
This is me pleading to the government to get a hold on JPS. You need to get a hold on JPS because I haven't been in Jamaica for one entire month. Nobody's at my house to use no light. I have the solar system, the battery system, and I also have the grid tie system that sells back light to JPS. Before I left Jamaica, I paid $79,000 for light bill. And now I get a next $78,000. For what? For what? Who? No, man, the government, you guys need to get a hold on JPS because this is bullshit. This is BS, and all them are going to do, send people come to my yard, come check to see if something wrong, and then them leave nothing done wrong on my yard. And then, me have to go pay the bill.
Well, my viewers and subscribers, as you can see, Mr. Asafa Powell right there, my people. And you hear the explanation of what this man is saying. This man explained for sure, say, JPS really a thief him. It's not the first, it's not the second. We have seen where this man has to take it to social media and explain his frustration to what this company who provided electricity to our Jamaican citizens. You understand? He's doing him. And not just him, my people. Lot of different people crying, bawling over the same thing of what JPS is doing. We have a thing where they call him OUR, Office of Utility Regulation. And honestly, this agency need to look into things like this and try to get this thing fixed. Because if a man can break down and tell us, look here, when me do my yard, me have burn all of these power, then give me bill for 70 yard. And when me travel, me have solar, me have this, me have that. You understand? Basically, the same money when me did the for amount. People, that is thiefness. That is robbery. You get what I'm saying? JPS need to stop. Them need to stop. Little citizen, we live a foreign, the local worker foreign, can't tell us them left them house at Jamaica. You understand? Only thing them have is the light to go on and off in the night, my people. Them not plug in the fridge, them not plug in nothing. And them a get bill for y'all 50,000, 60,000, 70,000. Honestly, my viewers and subscribers, we are in the new year. This is 2024. Today is the 1st of January. You understand? And our Prime Minister of Jamaica, we have seen him give a lot of house, you know what I mean, across the country and say, him love we, and he want to do this and he want to do that. But these are things where the Prime Minister need to fix. Because with a lot of Jamaican people living off a minimum wage, and if we have these people who provide electricity for our citizens, and them are rob we and this and that. You understand? The man who have money have to speak out. So just imagine all when they look a poor man and speak out. Honestly, them things I need to stop. It need to stop. And nobody forward and say, yo, Asafa Powell rich, you have money. You understand? No, that not do nothing. It's a shame to see where this man have to come on social media. You understand? And I beg the government of Jamaica to get this thing fixed. Honestly, it's a shame. I'm telling people, anybody who on social media watching things all the while can say it's not the first the man I do it. My viewers and my subscribers, as me tell us say, The new era, we want a lot of changes in our country. Me represent for my people, you know. You understand, especially the poor class of Jamaican citizens, them from the ghetto, because I'm from the ghetto. You understand, me no born uptown in the riches, me no born road in the scheme in the riches, me born in the ghetto, in a poverty. So you see when me forward pan the media, my people, me want to see better for me youth them, for my people, for my Jamaican people them. You understand? And message like this across the world, me want to see better for the poorer class of people. Zine, so our PM, I'm begging you, Mr. Andrew, I'm begging the Minister of Energy and whatever agency them have, oh, you are anything, please take this matter into hand. Get this thing fixed. Let them do a better job and stop rob people. You understand? Too much pressure upon poor people. We have an exchange that are days facing this year 2024. And let we have joy, let we have peace, let we have abundance. No more robbery, no more thief, no more destruction and consumption upon poor people. Because enough is enough. Mr. Powell, big up yourself. And I appreciate the fact where you're forward, brother. And I sure want to go on and highlight these things because you could have do it yourself, you know, and go to Mr. Andrew yourself because you have the powers can do it. Or you could have come some and go to the agency them, but you take it on the media to expose them because you have a lot of followers back you and let them know, so look here, not just, you know what I mean, these things are going for real. Them are robbery, them are doing this, them are doing that. You understand, my people? Enough is enough. But my people, me just want everyone out there, you know, hear me say, man, want enough of us. You know, for the new year, make some changes. If you're not on a progressive level, make some changes in your life. Look into your life. You get what me I say? A lot of things you used to do in a 2023, we know it's not good for you, not good for your family, it don't cause problem. Look into yourself and make some changes. You anybody at all, if you're stuck in the casino or work and a gamble every day, you see for that area, try if you cut it out. You get me I say? If I get up every day and I go around and I drink and I get drunk and I waste your money, look in yourself. Try to cut it out. You get what me I say? If you're a man who and a woman and every time you get up every week you get paid, you can buy one pum pum or buy 2 3. Try find a woman and cut it out. You understand? If you're a woman in a relationship but because you love money so much, you get me I say? You just burn your man just because of money and then you forward in the bed and I see you love him and I kiss him just because you get money on the side. Cut it out. You get what me I say? And for the man them, if you do the same thing, I take money from the woman and I burn them left, right and center and then you forward in the bed. Look here, just for the new year, cut it out. You see, for the new year, you see for the thief them out there, who not tap thief and go look work. You get what me I say? For the one already I want them to watch people things and a bad mind one woman just because you say she buy that nice Victoria's Secret panty there. You understand? You are pretty and I say you should have it. Look here, go walk and go buy here one. For the man them who are pretty man them to you see me at the Clarks and I say you are when get the Clarks there from daddy. Stop watch the man. Go and go buy your one and go work hard for your one. Stop grudge people. Stop envy people. Stop ready. Not because you see me drive a Crown and a Marcus and you drive a Corolla. You go get bad man, you go rob people and go thief say you want to buy one too. Don't do it. I say for the coat thief them and the goat thief them, I say for the new year, tap thief. The yam thief them, you see that one they will get that beating there from the Rastaman in the machete and a big piece and I say, look here now, I follow him, look here, stop thief for the new year, else this wouldn't happen to you. You see it, my people, big up on yourself. You see for the new year 2024, we attack them. I notice how we cool it down in a 2023, in the end part of the months, them, my people, we take it easy. But you see 2024, attack on them. They attacking boss in full flames, attack. Peace out. Remember to do like, do share, do comment, and do subscribe. Follow my past Snapchat. Know my people. NEWLINK Production Official. Facebook. NEWLINK Production Official. Attack. Subscribe. Instagram. NEWLINK Production. NEWLINK, you almost a TikTok, you know. I'm not on TikTok. Jaja sees, Jaja knows. No, sir. Think about it. Why? I don't know, but I'm not on TikTok. Peace out, my people. Just remember to do it. Hit the subscribe button if you don't do it already. Subscribe. Share up. Yo, JPS, do better, man. Peace out.